At a program held at the NPP State headquarters in Shillong on 7th December 2020, the Chief of the National People's Party and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K, in the presence of the Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W R Kharlukhi, welcomed Smti Biolinda L Nonglait and other leaders to the National People's Party family. It may be reminded that Smti Nonglait had contested the 2018 elections from Mawthdrashan Constituency from the HSPDP ticket, where she had lost by a small margin. It is expected that her joining the NPP will boost the party's grassroots presence in West Khasi Hills.
Biolinda Nonglait and the others from the party from Mawthdrashan Constituency who have joined the NPP today. It really is a great honor, I should say, and great pleasure to welcome all of you formally to the party. We have been discussing and talking about this for a long time, and we were all looking forward to it. So today, finally, it has happened, and I think this particular moment is a very, very important moment for the party in terms of the state and also in terms of West Khasi Hills district. I think it's a big boost that we will have. And